2000 watt with this little cable. Oh goodness, look at this. It's not properly done. Okay, so it's going to ride in here and it's going to do this the whole time. This is unacceptable. So guys, I have an invader here. Let me show you why I don't want to touch trailers like this, because this is a problem. Unless I redo it properly, I don't want to touch this. The vehicle is substandard, it's sloppy work, the trailer's installation is sloppy work, and I can't just do bits and pieces for the client. It must be done right, or I do nothing at all. Okay, this is unfortunately how we need to handle these kind of situations, where people do sloppy substandard work and then we are asked to do bits and pieces, which is not fair, number one, because if something happens to this trailer, the insurance is going to knock on my door because my product is installed in here. Even though it's not installed by me and not done properly, I immediately disapprove of this installation, and I immediately gave the client my opinions and recommendations. So it is the client's responsibility now to take those and rectify the situation, either with me or with someone else professional and capable of doing this job. But as it is here now, it's unacceptable. Okay, so let's look at why, what is the problems, and what do we have to deal with. Let me show you why I don't want to touch and change a lot of these trailers anymore, unless we redo it properly. Okay, because this is not how we have done the installation. It was done by someone else, and my recommendation is always to redo it for the client, but if they don't want to, we can't help them with that. Okay, so this is not how we do the solar inputs for the invaders when we do it. We do it totally different. So this is the normal invader solar input on the grower. We change it so that all the mud and the sand and the dust and the water and everything spraying from your vehicle, the rear wheel, doesn't come and hit here. You can see a lot of sand blast here, especially here. So if there's mud and stuff, it goes in there. Look there, it's quite dirty there. A lot of stuff will go in there. So that's not how we do it. If we do it properly. So there's the cables going in. There they go. Okay. And that's not how we do it. You can see. It will always be a problem. Look at that wiring, no fusing there. Very badly done. This is not how we do it. You won't see this work from us. So please, people, don't think this is our work. This is not how we do it. I'll show you how we do it. Okay, let's have a look. Battery box. What is this? Inverter. But you need to go this way. 2000 watt. With this little cable. Looks like a 1.5 or a 2.5 millimeter cable. Going through a 2000 watt inverter. What is in the box? So there's some battery here. This thing is on here. Let's have a look. There's some lights there. Switch. So there's some lights running. You can see the lights are running there. There's some lights on there. So everything is drawing power the whole time here. Everything drawing power. Now what now? Now I must switch it off here. Now switch it off. How do I switch it off? How do you switch it off? Okay. This is how they do the wiring. Whoever did it, it's a bit of sloppy work in here. And you can see, oh goodness, this whole battery. Look at this. The whole battery is shaking in here. It's not properly done. Okay, so it's going to ride in here and it's going to do this the whole time. This is unacceptable. Very dangerous, huh? Very dangerous. You see the risk that's happening here. The risk there. While it's shaking in here, like this, it's gonna rub there. And you're gonna get a dead short. So let's close it. I'm not gonna touch this vehicle any further. This is terrible.